أهلا ومرحبا بكم. Welcome to lesson number 2. Today we're gonna learn 3 new letters. We'll start with Ba. We write it like so, with a dot below it. B, B, Ba, B. Let's try now 2 more letters. We call them sisters because we write them the same way we write a Ba, except for one little difference. We start like so, but we're gonna put 2 dots on top of it to get a Ta, Ta, T, T. Add a third dot and you get a Tha, Th. That's the sound of TH in 3. Th, 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 Tha, Th. Now these letters are connecting letters, which means that we have to learn how to write them in 4 different ways. If it's at the end of the word, after a non-connecting letter, we write it like so. We call it a solo Ba. If it's at the end of the word, after a connecting letter, we just connect it like so. If it's in the beginning of the word, or if it's in the middle of the word after a non-connecting letter, then we write it like so. And if it's in the middle of the word after a connecting letter, then we write it like so. Okay, let's try to write our first word. This word consists of 3 letters. Ba, Alif, Ba. Remember, in Arabic we write from right to left. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with a Ba. At the beginning of the word, a Ba is written like so. We're going to connect it, because it's a connecting letter, to the Alif, like so. The second Ba comes after a non-connecting letter, which means that we have to write it like so. Okay, the Alif doesn't have a Hamza, so it's a long vowel. So this word is read Bab, Bab, Bab. It means door. Bab, Bab, door. Let's try another word. Tha, Alif without a Hamza. Ba with a Kasra. Remember, a Kasra is a short vowel we learned in lesson number 1. And Ta. Tha, Alif, Ba, Ta. Okay, we start with the Tha. A Tha in the beginning of the word, we write like so. It's a connecting letter, that's why we're going to connect it to the next Alif, like so. But Alif is not a connecting letter, so Ba is not going to be connected to it. So we're going to write it like so. We're going to add the Kasra, we can't forget that one. And because Ba is a connecting letter, we're going to connect it to the next letter, the Ta, like so. Okay, let's read it. The Alif is a long vowel, so that would make it Tha, Tha. The Ba has a Kasra below it, which makes it B, B, and the Ta to end the word. So combine it all together and you get Tha, bit, Tha, bit, which means constant. Okay, one more word. Alif with a Hamza and a Fatha. Tha, Alif without a Hamza and another Tha. Okay, let's combine them together. First, the Alif with the Hamza and the Fatha. It's non-connecting, so we're not going to connect it to the next letter. The Tha will write like so. It is, however, connecting, so we're going to connect it to the next Alif, like so. The Alif is non-connecting, so we're not going to connect it to the next Tha, and we're going to write it like so. Okay, let's read it now. The first Alif has a Hamza and a Fatha, which makes it A. Then Tha, and a long vowel, A, and the Tha. Combine it together, and you get أثاث أثاث أثاث. which is furniture. أثاث, أثاث. We learned the letters Ba, Ta, and Tha. They're connecting letters, and they're written exactly the same way, except for the dots. That was lesson number 2. If you like the music, it's a tune for the song أنا قلبي إليك ميال for Fayza Ahmed and the composer Muhammad al-Muji. See you in lesson number 3.